we were gifted these beautiful smoked venison sausages. We're wondering, like, what the heck do we do with these darn things? You know, you can just eat them like a regular sausage, barbecue them. That seemed kind of boring. So then the idea was, why don't we turn these into smoked venison corn dogs? So we whipped up a real quick batter with buttermilk and beer, so we had this nice fluffy batter. Fried them in some oil. And just dressed it with salt and pepper. And this is what we have, the smoked venison corn dog. Oh, and things to put on. I just went with straight ketchup. Vita put honey on hers. And how did you like it?
I love it.
See, you can put whatever you want on it. Dijon mustard, no good, in my opinion. But try whatever you want. Horseradish mustard, or else a corn dog. Put it whatever you like on it.